Welcome back. Now, you can also start with generating an image for the promotional material that you want to create. And you're going to see this area here. What we're going to do is we're going to write in what we want to create. And we're going to start by clicking Generate Image. And we are going to write in the image that we want to create. And once we have determined what we want our image to be, we'll then click this arrow and we'll wait for Designer to generate the image. We can select an image. And then once we have our image, we can actually go and then create another image. So we can click Generate Image. And once we have what we want in mind, we can then click the arrow, and then Microsoft Designer will begin the process of creating an image that we're going to use in our promotional materials. And we can select our image. And so once we have all of our images, what we can do is we can then generate what we want to generate. And then Microsoft Designer will use the images that we have generated here inside of it in order to create our promotional materials. We can determine what size that we actually want. And so if we want a landscape and we have our element here, we can select the element and then we can customize the design. And so we can customize the design in terms of text. We can customize the design in terms of different ideas, and you'll see them here. And so basically, you have an element that you can use as a template based on images that you generated using Microsoft Designer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.